Welcome back, everyone. Today's journey begins in Stamford, often called the finest stone town in England. As you can see from this aerial shot, we are starting at the train station, a charming building nestled among the beautiful stone architecture that this town is famous for. The sun is shining and it's the perfect day to explore the town. I am now walking out the station and heading toward the heart of Stamford. The town's rich history is evident as soon as you step out. With cobbled streets, historic stone houses, and a tranquil atmosphere that transports you back in the time. I pass along the station road, crossing streets lined with traditional stone buildings, heading towards Stamford Meadows. Stamford Meadows, a beautiful green space where families and friends gather to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The golden sunlight reflects off the meadows, making it a perfect place for a leisurely stroll. You can see people walking, children playing, and others simply sitting and soaking in the tranquility. The River Welland flows nearby, adding to the serene ambience. I make my way across the Welland Bridge, which offers a stunning view of the river. On a day like this, with the sun beaming down, it's easy to see why Stamford is so loved by its residents and visitors alike. This bridge serves as a gateway to even more history, leading me toward St. Mary's Church. As I approach St. Mary's Church, the streets grow quieter, with fewer people and more stunning stone architecture. The church itself is a masterpiece of medieval design, and its towering spire can be seen from all corners of the town. The area around St. Mary's is filled with historical buildings, stone cottages, and a few well-known restaurants like Zada Restaurant, offering delicious Turkish cuisine in this classic English setting. The streets around St. Mary's Hill are filled with stone buildings that give city its unique charm. Every corner of this town tells a story, from its medieval past to its current vibrant community. Walking through these streets feels like stepping into another time. From above, Stamford's unique layout becomes even more apparent. You can see how the town is built around the River Welland, with green fields, stone bridges, and winding streets all working together to create this beautiful landscape. After a relaxing visit around the church, I make my way back to the river to catch the sunset from the bridge. The view from the town bridge is breathtaking, with the golden sun setting over the water, casting a magical light over the stone buildings and trees. As I walk along the river, I pass by the George Hotel, one of the Stamford's most famous landmarks. This grand historic hotel has been standing here for centuries, offering a luxurious stay to visitors from all over the world. It's known for its traditional afternoon tea and its role in the town's history, and it once served as a coaching inn during the stagecoach era. I make my way back to the train station, where I am greeted by a friendly group of locals who are dancing and singing. This spontaneous moment really captures the spirit of Stamford, warm, welcoming, and full of life. I was lucky enough to capture it on video, and it's moments like these that make traveling so special.
And so on my backside you can see a lot of friendly people of Stamford, and and